Have you ever wondered how to create unique and beautiful images using AI? The possibilities are endless when it comes to transforming ordinary graphics into extraordinary masterpieces. Today, we will delve into the fascinating world of Adobe Photoshop and its Neural Filters AI plugin. This tool is a game changer, and by the end of our journey, you will have discovered a whole new way to enhance your graphic design prowess. First things first, you need to have Adobe Photoshop installed on your device. Once you've got that sorted, open the software and select the image you wish to manipulate. Then, navigate to the top menu, click on Filter, and select Neural Filters from the drop-down menu. A new window will appear, showcasing an array of filters powered by artificial intelligence. The interface of the Neural Filters plugin is user-friendly and intuitive. On the right, you will see two sections, Featured and Beta. The Featured section includes filters that have been fully developed and are ready for use, while the Beta section includes filters that are still in the testing phase. The skin smoothing and style transfer filters in the Featured section are particularly interesting. The skin smoothing filter allows you to add a professional touch to your portraits by smoothing any rough textures on the skin, and the style transfer filter allows you to apply the art style of one image to another. To use these filters, simply turn on the toggle switch next to each filter's name and adjust the sliders to control the intensity of the effect. The changes will be previewed in real time on your image. Once you're happy with the results, click on the OK button to apply the changes to your image. The Beta section is where things get really exciting. Here, you can experiment with filters like Smart Portrait, which allows you to adjust facial features and expressions, and Colorize, which adds color to black and white images. Just like in the Featured section, turn on the toggle switch and adjust the sliders to apply these effects. Remember, these beta filters are still being refined, so the results may not always be perfect. However, they offer a unique opportunity to experiment and create something truly unique. In summary, the Neural Filters AI plugin in Photoshop is a powerful tool that can drastically enhance your images. From smoothing skin textures to transforming black and white images into vibrant, colorful pieces, this plugin offers a wide range of artistic possibilities. The Featured section provides reliable and professional results, while the Beta section invites you to explore and experiment. So go forth, tap into the power of AI, and let your creativity run wild.